Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll start by finding what's taking space and safeguarding important data. Open Finder, choose iCloud Drive, then sort by size so you can target the largest items first. While you're here, copy any files you cannot lose to an external drive or a local folder. This prevents accidental loss. Once done, decide what to remove versus move. Make sure to prioritize large media, old archives, or duplicate folders. This step prevents surprises later and speeds cleanup. Now remove content safely and cleanly. Go to System Settings. Apple ID iCloud. Manage to see categories like Backups, Documents, and Mail. Delete large, unneeded entries there. In Finder, move unwanted files to Trash, then Empty Trash, and finally clear the recently deleted section in iCloud Drive so space is reclaimed. Make sure to remove old device backups and large mail attachments. Deleting app data from the same Manage screen prevents hidden storage hogs from returning. Finish by ensuring your Mac and iCloud reflect the changes. Turn on Optimize Mac Storage so macOS keeps local copies only when needed. This helps long-term. Check free space in System Settings and confirm on iCloud. COM to make sure deletions processed. If storage doesn't update, reboot your Mac, sign out of iCloud and sign back in, or force a sync via iCloud. COM, this single troubleshooting tip resolves most lagging updates. If issues persist, contact Apple support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.